Alright guys, today we're going to talk about our bulletproof sales system and our all-in-one sales software. Let me ask you this. What are the three most important things when making money on Instagram? It's first, having a clear sales process where people can purchase a product. Second, having a consistent posting schedule. And third, building relationships with your audience on scale. And it doesn't matter which product that you pick, these three things are the most important when it comes to selling stuff online. That's why before we go into building up your Instagram account, start posting content and making sales, we're going to create your bulletproof sales system. And once you have this done, then you have an automated way of creating an income stream that will make you unstoppable. And the best way to build your bulletproof sales system and automate everything is with our software that's called Mighty Funnels. Because with Mighty Funnels, you can create beautiful sales pages with an easy drag and drop builder to sell your product on autopilot. You can also automate and schedule all of your content in one place for all of the social media channels. That means you can literally plan out the next 2 months of content in just a matter of minutes. And because building an audience is building relationships, Mighty Funnels has its own messenger/Instagram bot that automates everything for you. So imagine like a 24/7 sales agent, consultant and helper directly connected to your Instagram account, chatting with your followers and making sales on autopilot. That's Mighty Funnels. So you basically have an all-in-one system to automate your entire business in a matter of minutes. Now obviously this software isn't for free because it literally costed our team months and thousands of dollars to develop this. And of course we have to host the software, manage the developers and create new features that help you grow. But we try to make the starter plan the lowest price possible for you. Because you will get a 10-day free trial to get started in this challenge, and after that it's just $97 per month. So in reality, that's just $3 per day for a software and a bulletproof sales system that will help you create and make money with any business that you like. That's literally less than just an espresso a day from Starbucks. And yes, of course, you don't need to sign up because there's a free option for everything, I know. You can also just put your affiliate link with no sales pitch in your bio. You can also do all the messaging with the people manually with no sales bot. You can post on the content manually and so on and so forth. But I'm personally a fan of if you do something, then do it right. That's exactly why I'm recommending you a system to automate most of your work. And sure, if you want to use a different software, that's also completely fine. You can try to recreate a landing page, etc. in different tools, but most likely you won't get the same results as with Mighty Funnels. Because most software maybe offer like one of those features, that means you actually end up spending more on multiple softwares and many hours to recreate what we already built out for you. So Mighty Funnels really specializes in helping you win the game of selling digital products. We literally give you everything and an unfair advantage starting out because you can automate everything and just copy and paste our proven processes. So now that you know a fraction of the cool stuff that Mighty Funnel does, here's what we do in the next videos. We will install your Done For You sales page template, then we will install your Done For You Instagram sales bot, and then we get started scheduling your first winning content. Alright guys, I'm super excited to see you in the next video to get your sales page up and running. So before we start, the tips in this video are absolutely applicable to any product. Alright guys, welcome to another video in the Bulletproof Sales System module. Today we'll be setting up your sales page. So now that we have your product, the last step before we can start posting and actually making money is setting up our sales page. So you already know how the system works. You will take your IG account, you will post content on it, and I'll show you how to do that in the next few videos. You will drive traffic to your sales page, which basically motivates people to buy the actual products. It builds desire. You can imagine like a 24/7 sales agent just selling your product constantly. Then from that sales page, we will drive people through your affiliate link, which will be directly the checkout. And then when people check out and actually put their credit card and buy, you will get your commission. So a question I get asked all the time is, can't I just use the checkout and drive traffic to the checkout from my Instagram channel? So technically you can do that, but there is a couple of downsides of doing it. So just imagine you're, for example, buying a car and someone just gives you a checkout and says this car is 20K. But now you don't know like which car it is, what it does, what features it has, how many miles it has, what color it has. You don't know anything. And that's basically how it is when you directly put people straight into the checkout without the sales page. So we need the sales assistant, we need the sales system in order to be able to actually sell the product, because otherwise the people don't know if they're buying a rusty car or a nice Porsche. Like, they don't know. That's why we need the sales page, so they actually know that they're buying the nice Porsche and are gonna get a giant amount of value out of the product. So like I said, you will have to first build desire and motivate people using the sales page, give them all the features and really demonstrate whatever they're gonna buy, and then push them to your affiliate link to checkout, and then you can get the money. So guys, the steps are super simple to creating your sales page. First step is signing up to our Mighty Funnels 10-day free trial. You can do that through this link right here, and under this video we're gonna find the link as well. Then we're gonna go to funnels, and then we're gonna input your affiliate link in there. So let's click on this link right here, and then it's gonna open the checkout page, which is basically, like I said, you get a 10-day free trial for Mighty Funnels. You can cancel it anytime, there's no contracts, and you get instant access. And after the 10-day, it's just $97 per month, which equals to $3 a day or a small cappuccino at Starbucks. And basically, you can just sign up right here. So I'm just gonna sign up with a test account. So tester demo, then the email I'm gonna use is this one right here, and then just a tester phone number, and then you can go over here and input your credit card details and can click complete order. And once you've done that, you're gonna come on this page right here, which is just saying thank you for purchasing, you just received your logins per email. So as you received your logins per email, you're gonna log into your Gmail account right here, and then basically you're just gonna wait until the email pops up with your logins. And when that happens, you're just gonna click on the email and go ahead and activate your account. Alright, so once you did that and you verified your email, then you're gonna see this dashboard right here. So basically, welcome to the Mightypreneur, Mighty Funnels software. And it's basically everything that you need in order to scale your future digital product business. And what we're gonna do right now is actually build your sales page. So we're gonna go onto funnels, and then on funnels, we're gonna go onto the template that we already have here, your landing page template. And now on the landing page template, everything is pretty much already built out. So what you're gonna do is just click onto edit. And here, as you can see, this is your complete sales page setup. So basically what you can do is check it out. If you click on this little eye icon right here, you can check out how it looks like. It's the exact sales page that we use to get clients, and that you can also obviously use for your cell phone. So a quick tour of how the software is built out. It's super simple. It's a drag and drop builder. So if you want to create other sales pages or do different products and launch different products, then it's very, very simple, because it's just a drag and drop builder. So what you have is like those green sections, then we have blue sections, and we have like those orange ones. So basically, green ones are called sections because you can just put in a bunch of stuff in them, like a background, a video, like here, as you can see, some text, and so on and so forth. And in the green section, so let's actually make one just for fun, like here, you can do a full width section. In the green section, you can add rows. So you can just add like 2 columns, 3 columns, like if you want to slide some pictures and stuff, or if you want to have like before and after or something, you can do 2 columns. But what I usually do is just 1 column. And then in that column, you can, for example, do a headline. You can click on plus, do a sub headline, and so on and so forth if you want to change something. Now, to be honest, I wouldn't recommend it because it's already done. You don't need to change anything here, except you're going to scroll all the way down to this right here, to the button where people are actually going to buy, and you're going to click on that button. And then when you click on that button, you're going to look for a link. So link to website URL. And this website URL should be your affiliate link. So you're going to go into First Promoter. And once you're in your affiliate dashboard, then you can just scroll down, get this referral link right here, just click on copy, then go back to your funnel, and then put this link into this website button. So into this get access button. So when people want to buy, they can just go onto your affiliate link and then buy, and then you get the commission. So that's basically it. Then you just click save. All right, so when you click save, the last thing you have to do is basically connect to your domain, or you can also use the domain that we already provide right here. So if you just click on this button right here, the little eye icon, then you can see that this page is already published, and you can basically run with it. So one thing you can't do is click publish right here, because it will give you this thing right here which says like connect your domain. And we're gonna go over that in the second video. Now keep in mind, a domain costs about 10 cents per month. So it's really cheap. So I would highly recommend you getting a domain, but I'll show you how to do it in the next video, because I don't want to overload you with this video. In this video, I just showed you how to sign up to Mighty Funnels, how to go on here in the sales page, and how to put your link, and that's it. So in the next video, we're gonna look at it. So yeah, congrats, you did it. You now have a fully functional sales page to sell literally any product. Like, you can use this kind of sales page framework to literally sell anything. And if you have any questions on the framework, obviously I'll be more than happy to guide you through how to build it for any other product as well. So in the next videos, we're going to cover how to connect your domain. If you want to do that, it's, like I said, really recommended. But otherwise, if you have any questions, then please let me know, and we see each other in the next videos. Alright guys, this is the last video in this module. Before we can start creating your Instagram channel and your Instagram content, we're gonna talk about your brand name and your domain today. So one of the most important things when you're building a brand is your name. That's why it's important to pick a name that fits you and what you're selling. So you need an IG name, so an Instagram handle, and a domain for your sales page. So Instagram handle, so the name depends entirely on the product that you're selling, so it has to fit it. If you choose to be faceless, then you can, for example, combine words like faceless, the faceless, no face, and then something like method, system, route, relationships, advice, health. So for example, if you choose to sell our product in the wealth market, then you can do something like the faceless prodigy, or like the faceless moneymaker, whatever, like something like this that kind of fits the product that you're selling. If you do, for example, health, then you can do faceless fitness, faceless health, and so on and so forth. So domain name, a domain is something like google.com, for example. That's a domain. That means like the URL that people will put in order to open up your sales funnel. So that's really important for the sales page to actually publish it and have a legit kind of sales page up and running. The name itself should be similar to your Instagram handle. So if you have like, I don't know, faceless prodigy, then you can do like facelessprodigy.com. Like, it's good to have it, it's beneficial, but it doesn't have to be. Like, if you can't find the exact name that your Instagram handle is, then just choose the next best one. The best domain endings end with .com, .net, or .io. So for example, facelessbuzz.com, facelessbuzz.net, facelessbuzz.io, and you can choose a name like that. So how to get a domain? It's really simple. You go to Mighty Funnels, you click on your sales page, and then you click on publish. And then we click on add domains. You can buy a domain for like 10 to 15 bucks a year. So that's like, I don't know, like $1 a month, 10 cents per day basically. So it's very cheap. And that way you can have more of a brand out there. You can have a legitimate actual business that people can Google and look up. So this will help you a lot with making sales. So let's go into Mighty Funnels and set this up. Alright guys, we're now in your Mighty Funnels dashboard. So what you want to do is go to your funnels. Then on your funnels, you want to go into your landing page template. Then here you want to click on edit. And once you're in that editor, then you're just going to click on publish. And then here a pop-up will show up, which basically says add or edit domain. So you're going to click on that. And now you can basically purchase a domain. So as you can see, I already purchased a domain, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you're just going to click purchase a domain. Then here you can just type in your name. So whatever the name is that you picked for your Instagram handle, you can just try that. Or just do something like, if you're selling our products, for example, you can do something like the facelesssystem.com. example. Let's see if it pops up, if it's available. So that's actually taken. So we can see if like the faceless methods.com. So that domain is available. Like you see, it costs $12 per year. So that's less than like a cappuccino at Starbucks. So you're just going to click on buy here, and then it will just buy the domain, and that will be it. And then it will be redirected back to the first page, which is basically this one. So once you have your domain in here, it says active. So it takes like 20 to 30 minutes to say active, because it actually like purchases the domain in the background. So you can just keep refreshing until it says active. You're gonna click on to configure, and then you're gonna click on connect this domain. You're gonna click on continue, and then you're gonna actually turn this on. So I also entered www.domain. You're gonna click then on continue then. Now it will set up basically your domain with your landing page. Now you click on add records. Once that's done, it will take about, I don't know, 1 or 2 minutes to add the records. You want to link a domain with the funnel. So we're gonna select the one that we have here, the landing page. And the default step should be just the landing page, so that's all fine. Then you click proceed to finish. Alright, so that's basically it. So whenever you type in this domain now, let's just copy and paste it into the URL right here. Yeah, so the people will go directly into your sales page and can then just buy your product, and you'll get the commission. So this is your sales link. Like, you share this link and people go on here and then they buy your product and you get the commission. Super, super simple. Now you're finished with your entire sales page setup, and we can go on to the next step and actually start posting some content.